Hey there guys, so I just wanted to go over really quick why I use for Design Space the Mac, what was it, the Apple iPad Pro, this is the 12.9 inch, and the Apple Pen. Now this video is in no way, shape, or form sponsored. I wish it was, but it's not. But I just want to tell you my reasoning as to why I use this product instead of a desktop or our MacBook Pro laptop or even my cell phone, because when I first started I used my cell phone and it was very difficult for me because editing and stuff, the pictures and stuff that I was doing was very difficult, and I'll show you why in just a second. So I use this because it has the pen, and that's really the main reason is the pen. This is amazing. Now the pen usually isn't this big. It's we have this outside sheath thing for it that basically lets you withdraw the tip on there just by pushing the little pocket clip in. That helps to protect the tip as well as to give you a little bit bigger of a pen to hold on to rather than the super skinny pen. So let's show you this real fast. So if I went to upload, I went to like photo libraries, editing this picture. Okay. With my phone, I would have to, have a much smaller screen, a lot less definition on it, a lot less room to work with, and I'd have to use my finger for everything. So this part is really easy when you just hitting the remove function. You're just like, oh yeah, click down, look at that. It looks beautiful, right? Yes, but there's still usually parts that you need to fix. So like on here's the eye, in here the this part of the little fishing hook thing, over here and over here, and you can tell that if you've used Design Space at all, you know that if you click on this, it'll show you this is what your picture looks like right now. And then you tap it again and oh look, this is what you're editing, so you can see the full picture, but this is what it looks like right now. If you were to be done and go over to the next screen, that's what you would get. So with my phone, I would have to try and get the eyeball perfectly, and oh nope, I just got like one single little pixel, right? Well, I mean, yeah, you can zoom in and you can still do that. But another thing I like about the iPad is that you can, even with your finger, you can press and hold and it'll like have a little zoom in spot. So you can say, let's see, oh, I want to do right there. You can let go and boom, it takes care of that spot. Let's see, where's the next one? Oh, I want to take it right there. Boom, it takes care of that spot. Okay, like if you look up here, now the eyeball is done, and so are the little boat windows. Okay, we still need to do in between his arms, this little hook thing up here and right in there. So you can also use the pen, which is why I like this so much, because with the pen you really don't even have to zoom in. You can leave it like this if you want. I just like to zoom in because I have bad eyes, but you can do this and it shows you the exact little spot, and you can see right where you're pointing on the screen is the same spot where it's pointing with a little zoomed in spot. Okay, so if you see that, you can't really tell a difference right there, right? Like, but boom, can't tell a difference. Click on this, you can tell a difference right there. His arms are now two instead of one black blob. Okay, you can do there, and then you can go up here, and last but not least, you can do the little fishing hook thing. Now the fishing hook with my phone probably would have been very difficult to do, because it's so small. Even with the zoom in feature, sometimes it wouldn't have worked. Now, let me show you a different project. Now, I don't know if any of you have kids, but this is Spookly. Okay, a little animated pumpkin. He is cute, I think. And I edited this actually a few days ago. All I wanted was the outline of the leaves and the stem and the actual pumpkin. I didn't even keep the eyes or the eyebrows or anything like that. So what I did was I just did the remove button down here and then zoom in a little bit and just click on the black line if that's the line that you want. Okay, only the black line disappears. So now, if you look over here, all that's disappeared is right here. So we're going to keep going. We're going to click on this black line, and we're going to go up here, and we're going to click on that black line. Ooh, that disappeared a lot of it. So check this out. Look up here to this black line. Do this. Do that. Not that one. Undo. Just the black lines. Okay? So now that we have most of that. No, not that one. Okay, now that we have most of that gone, check that out. You can still see all the color, but over here, this is what it's actually going to look like. Okay? So a quick tip that I found is, if you leave it like this, hit next. Don't refine any of that, just leave it as is. Hit next again. Now, if you do cut image, this is what you're going to get on the design space. If you do print then cut, this is, you have to print this on your printer, on your, like a printable vinyl, and then the machine will cut that out. But you don't want that, because you just, well, maybe you do, but you just took all the black lines out of this, so, and they're all over here now. So I'm going to say Spookly outline. Okay, then boom, click on that. Alright, so this is a spookly outline. Now, I don't really want it to have all this black stuff around it. So you click on it, hit actions, and then hide contour. Okay, boom, done. Look at that, you have spookly. And then you can go to your stuff that you have already uploaded and you've already edited. And look, you can do a little Olaf face in there or something. Look at that, an Olaf pumpkin. You can print that up. You can even print this and the rest of it on orange, like do an orange cutout. Do an Olaf face. You can do. I've done a few of them. Can't you tell? If any of you saw my other video, you saw that I used this one right here as a as my pumpkin. My wife used this one and this one and this one. We edited them a little bit, make them a little bit different, but I made a little sticker for this one. I think you saw this video. But I mean, you could put anything in there if you really want to put this one. This is fun. I actually took this one right here on a different video, or not a different video, but a different project, and I actually duplicated it. Just took one of them, did the hide the contour, got rid of everything except for the little face little mask right here, and then I took it up here. Well, I turned it white just because it helps me see what I'm doing, and then I turned it sideways a little bit, put it on this pumpkin, highlighted them both, and did slice. Boom. Now it's all one piece. You have a little 2020 pumpkin, little bat on there. Of course, you have a little face mask on there because, you know, COVID is a thing. Whatever you want to do. And the cool part is you could even get rid of these little leafy sides if you really want to. You can not edit them. Like you could not bring them in when you do the editing in the first place. Or if you get here and you're like, wow, I really don't like these little leafy things in here. You can go to shapes down here. Pick any shape you want. I usually do the square. Just because I'm square, I guess. I don't know. Guys, I don't know where I come up with my jokes, but please don't hate, or do. It's cool. I don't really care. I'm a dad. I come up with bad jokes all the time. We're good. Whoa, why is this one getting all wonky? Okay, there we go. So, I like to do the main brunt of it. First I like to duplicate so I can do it on this side too. But anyways, then you slice. You can only do one slice at a time. But then you have all that's gone. Then you come up here, go like this, and zoom in a little bit. I guess I can make it smaller, can't I? See how fast this is with your Apple Pencil and your iPad? I've used on my MacBook Pro a couple times, and it's just, it works nicely, but at the same time it's like so slow. I was using this little trackpad trying to do this and click over here and go like this, and like you can just touch the screen. It's so much easier, especially for all of us who are just used to having your phone and doing all the touch screen stuff with your phone. Boom, the pencil, this, and you can do the pencil and then use your fingers and pencil some more, just like I'm doing right now. Pretty awesome stuff, you know what I mean? Chicken wing. Oh yeah. So zoom in. That, highlight them both, and then say slice. Oh, I missed a piece. Oh well. So I'm gonna do this. Slice. Look at that. Pumpkin outline with little 2020 bat pumpkin with the face mask. Sideways, whatever you want to do. So that's my quick little tutorial. Oh, here, see, there's my other one. It looks the same, doesn't it? On the Apple Pen with the MacBook Pro 12.9 inch, I want to say. I've made a couple of things. These ones were particularly difficult because of all the super fine detail. So this is another great example with the editing part of it. This is a flashcard for the H. It's a horse. If you have the Apple Pen, it makes it really easy because then you can see exactly where you're editing. Okay, so that hopefully will show you how nice it is to have Apple Pen when you have an Apple iPad Pro 12.9 inch like we do here. So again guys, this is by no way, shape or form is this at all sponsored. Like I said, I wish, but it's not. So if you guys liked it, please give me a thumbs up, give me a little give me a little love on that subscription button. I'll be posting some more later stuff, actually making some stuff. I'm going to be making a logo for a friend. Whoa, that was cool. He is starting his own YouTube channel, and I designed his logo for him. So it's not the H with the horse, I promise. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below for what you think I should do next.